7600. We're going to be putting this AC hose. This is a suction line hose. Part number. Hooks up here and then runs under the cab and hooks up. So we're going to start taking that apart. We need to take this 5/8 nut off. Put that on there and pull it off. Let me see if this is the right side behind it. Yeah, it is. It's a 5/8. Push it on here. Okay. Alright. Nope, drop it. Down in that drain. Okay. I get this boat down. Vote for it, where's the nut? Red on there. Set it up there. Remove this little clamp. Set it up there. And there's our little padding part. 7/8 and a 27mm bore. And break it free. Wow. Maybe I'm going the wrong way. Ready. Ready. Break free. No, won't break free. See if we can use this toolbox. It has a leverage. What we're talking about? Or the tractor itself has a leverage like that. Then we can get down here. There we go. I think you could try it. Yeah. A little tough, ain't it? Yeah, we got to get that other end loose, though.
Where is it at? Is it under the tractor?
Yeah, it's under the tractor. It's probably going to be the same size as that other one. Take them, and I'll show you where it's at. You see right up there? Hang on. I'm showing you the wrong one. See this one right here? I'm pushing on it.
Yeah.
See the bolts right there?
Yeah.
Think you can get on them?
Yeah.
See if you can get them wrenches on them.
Oh, there's one I got.
There's one. There's your other wrench. I'll hold this one for you.
This one here is easier. Fun. Here we go.
Got that one?
Yes.
Okay, no, the other way.
Oh, that one ain't hard.
Did it break loose?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Let's spin it on out.
How do you get them?
Huh?
It's just spinning this wider in here. That's just spinning.
Okay, then this is the one that turns, the big one. So you'll have to use it. You'll have to spin it.
Oh.
You may be able to move that one out of the way. It may spin on off without holding it. You could try it to see if you can get that big one spun off. You get your light shining on it where you can see it.
I can see it just fine. It's just the wrench is hard to do.
Is it easy enough where you can reach your hand up there and spin it off, or is it too hard?
Oh, I can do that, yeah.
Look at you.
Oh, I was turning it the wrong way.
No, you was going the right way.
Just like that way?
Yeah. Righty tighty, lefty what?
Lucy.
Lucy, uh-huh.
Oh, yeah.
But you gotta be looking at it, you know, from the back side. Well, I'm glad I got you to do this because I couldn't fit under there. Okay, it's off. Just pull them lines apart now. Can you pull that? No, grab that other one, that rubber one. No, right, that one. The one that goes into that.
That right here?
Yeah, see if that'll pull out. Don't pull down on it, you'll bend that tube. Won't pull out?
No. I guess this one's got to come off too, then, ain't it?
No. Let me see if I can get my hand under there.
Oh, I couldn't pull it out.
Okay, it's loose. Okay, I'm gonna go on over here on this side here. See how that's routed under there? Kind of look at it.
Yeah.
Kind of look at it and see what it goes over and under, and because when I start pulling it, I'll start pulling it out.
Where's
You may have to
my
help
light?
it.
Where's my light at?
Got your light?
Yeah, my light.
When we go back, though, we need to know.
Oh, there.
You think you can figure it out?
Oh, yeah, I can kind of see. It goes.
Do you want to tie a piece of wire around this end? And that way when we pull it out, we have that wire that we can transfer over, and then we can use that wire to help get it where it needs to go in the routing part?
Yeah.
Okay, let me get you some wire. Okay, I'm going to start pulling that hose. Looking all right? Got me caught here on this line.
Right now, we're on your end or mine?
On my end. He's trying to get it pulled loose from this installation. I don't know. It's coming. Huh? It's there. There's your wire. Okay. Now I'm going to get the new hose wired to it, and then you'll have to kind of pull on that wire a little. Okay, pull on that wire, son. Yeah, take the slack out of it for me. Pull on some more. You know, gotta get it through that bracket. You may have to come up front and feed it through that. You know where he was, where that bracket was at a while ago?
Yeah.
Come up there to that. And see if you can grab that hose and feed it through that bracket. Oh, it may have went then. Pull on your wire a little more.
Hey, let me get it.
Okay. There you go. Pull on your wire a little more. It's going there for that. Okay, yeah. You see it. Okay. That's pretty close, but we got it right there. But
Why can't we just leave that insulation on?
huh?
Why can't we just leave it on?
Leave what on?
The insulation.
We are going to leave it on, but we need to pull that slack out of it.
Can I hand tighten it?
Yep. And hey, as far as you can go. Let's mount it up. That way you'll have a little. It'll be a little more sturdy for us. You want to?
I don't care. Oh yeah, put that bolt in.
That bolts in that bracket.
Yeah, I was going to do that.
That way it's all in line.
Oh yeah. There it is. Oh, dang it. Where did it go?
Probably up and stuff. Don't never stick your hand up like that. You have to have that tripped, and you just hit this button with your finger in it with a nut. It's going to thread that nut on your finger. And then you'd have to go to the hospital and have it cut off. Never do that.
I haven't heard you.
Thank you. Yeah, 7/8.
Wait. What?
This way. This way. Arms getting tired? Let me finish it off. Okay. You got it pretty tight.
Don't forget to put the cap though.
Okay. No, I'll have to get a tie strap. Tie strap here.
Is it tight?
Zip tie, yeah.
Where's the zip tie?
In that bottom drawer. Get about 3 or
The green
4
one?
the white. No, there's some black ones. We'll use it on that workbench, that big workbench down there. There's a whole bag of them. Okay, so turn them gauges on. We'll pull it back. No, take that, grab that yellow hose right there.
Yeah.
Unscrew it from that. And screw that on that pump right there, on the top. Yep. No, on the top, on the top. Keep going. Okay. Now open your gauges up. The red one and the blue one.
So that.
The other way. Yep, like that. Just like that. And we'll sit here and let it pull a vacuum on it. Yeah, we'll need to put a good vacuum on it. Shut them gauges off. Now we need to see where that's pointed at.
Looks like it's at the 30.
Yes. And we'll let it sit here for about 20 or 30 minutes. If we come back and that needle is moved up, then we got a leak. If we come back and it's in the same place,
Yeah.
then we can put some Freon in it. Don't have a leak. Is it in the same spot?
Yep, it's in the same spot.
Okay, we have no leaks. So what do we do next?
Pour some Freon in it.
Well, we don't pour it in there. We'll put some in it. That's pretty. 47 and still dropping. 46. So yeah, it's getting plenty cold enough.
And it was 45 at the end.
Yeah, it's plenty cold. Take it, turn that key off for me. There we go. All right, we're done, buddy. You fixed it. Good job.